I'm looking at stuff.
You got X-ray vision?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Mom, what the fuck is wrong with you?
That's what I'm taking a picture of.
You fucking bitch. Get that shit out of my fucking car right now.
It makes noise, too.
I'm not fucking with you. Get that shit out of my car right now. You're so funny. Go. Get it. Get it.
You gotta send it to Michelle.
You said that whole fucking demon stuff. Get it out of my fucking car.
Wait, get this.